Welcome to Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. This is going to be a quick example of how I teach, what the page has to offer, and an invitation for you to come on by and have some fun playing the baritone ukulele. So here's some basic chords to get you going. Here's an A chord. That's 2, 2, 2, and open. Now if we move this finger over here to 2, 2, 1, and open, that's an A minor. Here's a C, 2, open, 1, open. And then we have a D, open, 2, 3, 2. D minor is open, 2, 3, 1. Then we have an E major, 2, 1, open, open. E minor is 2, open, open, open. And G is open, 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 3. So those are the 8 main open chords. So we had A, we had A minor, we have C, we have D. This one can be a little tricky. Think about putting those two. That's the 3rd string and the 1st string, and then putting that other finger in between. D minor, we have open, 2, 3, and 1. E was 2, 1, open, open. E minor, you take that 1 out, and G is all opens with the 3 on the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to use this progression G, C, D, back to G to talk about a few strumming patterns. So the first one is going to be down, down, up, down, up. So that's 1, 2, and 4, and. So let's try that. 3, 4. Okay, this time we're going to go into the other chords too. 3, 4. C, D, back to G. Now we'll do G again. Okay, now the next pattern is going to be down, 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 up. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Let's try that. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. Okay, now here's a little finger picking for you. So I'm going to use each of these fingers starting with my thumb. Each one has its own string. We're going to go up and come on back down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notes. Let's try that. Start on G again. Okay, another popular picking pattern is when you start with the big note and the little note at the same time. So I did strings 4, the big one is 4, the little one is 1, 4 and 1. Kind of hold that for a second, and then strings 3, 2, 4, 1, 3, 2. So it's. Okay, let's try that. 3 and 4 and. All right. Now the list of artists includes people like the Beatles, Creedence Clearwater Revival, Pink Floyd, Rolling Stones, Eagles, Fleetwood Mac, Allman Brothers, Grateful Dead, the Beach Boys, Simon and Garfunkel, Bob Dylan, David Bowie, and many, many more. So I have 317 lessons up there as of today for the baritone ukulele. So please come by and check out our page. My music experience is I've had my own band for almost 25 years. I played with James Brown for 8 years all around the world. Learned a lot about all kind of different styles of music there. And so please come and see us at Damon's Baritone Uke Joint. We'll talk to you soon.